have made it to the new year. Can't believe it's 2018. That's crazy. First things first, okay? If you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. It's my first video of 2018, okay? So I appreciate you. My old time subscribers, y'all know how I feel.
What's up? What's up, everybody?
Thank you for riding with a sister, coming in from 2017 into 2018 with all the love and the support. I love y'all so much. Let's make this a great year. Okay. I'm still sick. If y'all been following me on Snapchat, maybe even Instagram, you know I've been under the weather. Like, I believe I had the flu. Yeah. So, of course, every year people always do, you know, what we're not bringing into the new year, you know, trends we're ditching in the new year, blah, 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 blah. I've never done one, so I decided to kind of switch it up just a little bit. So it's not trends that I'm ditching, it's actually trends that I'm taking with me in 2018 with no shame, okay? Not an ounce. It's just gonna be a fun, you know, intro to 2018 real quick, just letting y'all know what I'm taking with me. Trends I ain't got no problem with, because you know what? Not everything needs to be ditched, okay? The first trend that everybody and their mama, for some reason, really hates, but I love, and I have no shame in loving it, and that's
baby hair.
Swoop! Swoop! See that? Swoop! 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 See?
Adult hair, adolescent hair, teenage hair. Listen, I'm all for the exaggerated baby hairs. Like, I really don't care. Like, I exaggerate mine, okay? I don't care. I understand people are like, you know, I don't like the exaggerated kind, you know, the kind that comes all the way down to your eyebrows, whatever. But you know what? I feel like this. For girls like myself who, you know, struggle with the 5 head, you know what I mean? And all of that, a little baby hair action, all right? A little adolescent hair love, you know, a little swoop to the side really is helping with the whole, you know, forehead, you know, struggle. And I don't want to call it a struggle, because, you know, God has blessed us with a lot of thoughts that we're able to process and keep to ourselves, you know what I mean? That's why he gave us, you know, this large amount of dome. But, you know, sometimes we don't always want to, you know, have our forehead just helloing everybody, you know what I mean? Sometimes we don't want to speak, you know what I mean? We just want to have, you know, our baby hairs to just kind of ease the struggle just a little bit.
What?
I think it's cute. I mean, I feel like it sets off a style. Like, you don't have to be all extra with it, but you know what I mean? But like 2018, I'm bringing baby hair trend along with me, probably in the 2019 and 2020, 2021, all that. That's, yeah, I'm probably gonna do that with no shame. Okay, no shame. Another trend people are supposedly tired of, which I just don't understand why. But it's all good, whatever, you know. The next trend I'm bringing with me in 2018 is Eco Styler Gel. It's coming with me. I have no shame. I love Eco Styler. I don't understand what the issue is. Like, you know, if it works, it works. Like, you coming with me, you coming with me, you coming with me, like, you coming with me, like, you come. I'm Eco Styler, 'cause she's staying, okay? She's not going nowhere. Staying. Another thing that I'm bringing with me in 2018, I don't know about you, but I'm bringing sponsorships with me. All right, oh, hallelujah. I felt that blessing, okay? I don't understand what the huge deal was. Well, actually, I take it back. I do understand what the huge deal was as far as sponsorships, and it's because a lot of YouTubers just don't know how to keep it real. They don't know how to keep that relationship with that company intact, as at the same time telling the truth about the product. For me, I'm a firm believer in what's for you is for you. Okay. There are companies, you know, who don't mind if you know, tell the truth about a product. You don't have to bash the product. but you just need to tell the truth about the product. And I don't want to work with a company who would want me to lie, okay, and pump up their product, you know what I mean, to make them look good. That's like, come on. I'm taking sponsorships with me, and I'm not gonna lie about my sponsorships. I'm gonna tell you, like, oh girl, this right here was sponsored by Eco, but what had happened was I really like this product. Or you're gonna get, girl, this is sponsored by Eco and I really didn't like this. I'm not gonna be bullied into thinking like I can't mention sponsorships or I shouldn't do sponsored content. No, I got bills too, okay? And sponsorships help pay those, okay? I got a child, I got a man, I got goals, you know what I mean? I got clothes that I saw at H&M that I wanted to get. Sponsorships, nothing's wrong with them as long as you keep it real. And I think that's where YouTubers really need to work on, is for real just being honest. Like, be honest without bashing the products. We are all adults. It's like, for instance, like if you don't like somebody, you don't have to bash them to let people know you don't like them, right? You can just be like, you know what?
She's cool, but she just not for me. You know, click, you know, but she cool. Like, you know, she cool. You know, she got a nice smile, whatever, but we just don't click.
Me, I didn't bash the girl. I gave her props. Actually, if you want to think about it, I guess. Said she got a nice smile, whatever. Like, come on, we adults. Another thing I am bringing with me in 2018, man, with no shame, okay, are wash and goes. People are tired of seeing people that constantly do wash and goes, But my thing is this. To master a good wash and go, that takes a lot of prayer, okay? Fasting and prayer, and I'm just joking. It is an art to it, okay? So once you get it down pat, I mean, you do want to rock it every chance that you get, right? I may switch it up and do a roller set. I may switch it up and do, you know, a braid out every once in a while. I may, you know, I don't know, protective style or whatever. For the most part, your girl is going to love and embrace her wash and go. Why? Because there's a story behind my wash and go. I didn't always like my wash and go. Ooh, that God, hey, come on, hallelujah. God made me in his image, okay? And he made this curly hair, ooh, hallelujah. And it's like, you know what, I'm gonna embrace this because there was a time I hated this. So I'm embracing it in 2018, okay? And I will continue to show you how to use products to get your wash and go to pop, you know what I mean? To do different things. I even have a wash and go that you can even do in the summertime without using any water. I had that on my channel. I've done 2 videos on that a long time ago. There's levels to wash and go. So don't sleep on the wash and go. They can work for almost anybody. It's just technique, all right? Another thing I'm bringing with me in 2018 is washing my hair, okay? I'm just saying. Y'all can keep, you know, I only co-wash my hair. I only wash my hair every 3 years. No, y'all can keep that. I will be washing my scalp once a week, okay? Sulfate free, you know, color safe. I'm gonna be washing my hair once a week. That's what I'll be doing in 2018. I need for my hair to grow, and for that I need a clean scalp, all right? Shampoo is not, you know, the enemy. Shampoo is actually your friend, and I hope many people will catch on to that because y'all, you wash your hair. Another thing that I'm bringing with me in 2018 are sculpted eyebrows. Yes, I am. I will. I will be bringing those with me in 2018. I will, because you know why? I like them, okay? Like, I feel like if you like a trend, you like a trend. Who cares if people don't like it? You like it. You bring that with you in 2018, okay? People have a problem with like sculpted brows, you know. Why you gotta highlight your brows on top? Because I want to, okay? Because I want to. 2018, I will be bringing with me the whole sculpted brow, the crisp, all right? Snatched brow. I just love a good brow, and I love what I love, and it is what it is. I will be sculpting and highlighting. All right. Okay. Another thing that I'm bringing with me in 2018 is dyeing my hair. Okay. I love hair dye. I love fun colors. I will dye my hair at home with a box dye in a hot second. no problem. Actually, when I used to do that, my hair was actually stronger and longer for some reason. There's controversy about dyeing your hair. You know, it's bad, blah, blah, blah. It is a chemical, yes. But there are certain hair dyes out there that is all natural, like henna. You can get your hair done professionally with people who have actually studied color and know what they're doing, and you should be fine. It's all about how you take care of your hair afterwards and before. You can't just go ahead and bleach your hair and then, you know, your routine just slacks. If you're gonna bleach your hair and put it through that type of stuff, you need to really have a really good routine, deep condition, at least like twice a week. You gotta do all the stuff that is necessary to keep your color going and keep it vibrant and healthy. So I'm bringing with me hair dye in 2018. Yes, ma'am. I don't know what I'm going to be dyeing my hair in 2018, but I will be dyeing my hair in 2018. Okay. So another trend, this is like not natural hair really, or like beauty related, but I will be bringing with me in 2018 are apps, especially Facetune. People have such a problem with Facetune. Listen, when I realized where pictures can go, like when I realized that once that picture is out there, that picture is out there, okay? People have screenshotted, people have showed their aunties, people have showed their hairstylists, people have showed their best friends, people showed their, you know, once you put that photo out on the internet, it is there. I'm gonna have it looking great, okay? It's gonna be, you know, a little airbrush, not too much, but a little airbrush, you know. I might, you know, do a little definition on the hair, make it look a little even more shinier. I have no shame in my game. I will let you know, okay? Facetune is my homegirl. We hang out, we go and get drinks together, like we are like this. People act like, you know, I don't use it that much. Girl, you know, you be using it. But there's nothing wrong with enhancing, you know, what it is, as long as you don't go overboard. You know, you're not, you know, slimming your nose down. And I mean, well, if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. But, you know, that's not what I'm using it for. I'm using it for go get, you know, get my little blemishes, you know what I mean? Maybe make the little highlight pop a little bit more. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Another thing I'm bringing with me in 2018 is positivity, okay? I can be a negative Nancy. I will be honest with y'all. I can be negative, baby. It's just more so like a borderline, I'm just being real. Like, I'm not that type of person who's gonna be like, it's gonna be okay, girl. Like, don't worry about it. God got it. God does have it, but we're gonna keep it real that this could happen because I'm gonna prepare myself for the worst. Now, it may not be the smartest way to live your life, but I'm getting way better at being more positive and just literally leaving things in God's hands. You can't call yourself a Christian and be filled with so much worry and so much doubt, because we know that we serve a God who has his children in his hands. He has already ordered our steps, and all things work together for good to those that love God. So I'm learning how to be a little bit more positive in my outlook on life and learning to fully let go and let God. It's so cliche, but it's so hard sometimes when I'm a person who likes to micromanage little things, and I like to, you know, be in control of a lot of stuff. It's gonna be okay. It really is gonna be okay. You have to believe that. You have to really receive that. It's gonna be okay. No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
Cause I know God will. No weapon from against me shall prosper.
That blessed me.
So yes, I wanted to make this video really quick, y'all, just to show you guys that you can like what you like. Who cares if it's a trend? You ain't gotta ditch it. Just as people saying ditch it, you ain't gotta ditch it. If you like it, you like it. So it makes all of us unique, because we like what we like, we dislike what we dislike. I'm praying that 2018 is filled with so much abundance in your life. Opportunities and doors will just be open in your life. And I'm so grateful for you guys for hanging in there with me. My camera's about to die, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope it was entertaining for you guys. Please go ahead and give me a like if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. And I love you guys so very much. Have a blessed 2018, and I'll keep making those videos once a week. Love y'all. See you next time.